Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla today. We are here to show you a 1956 Chevy Bel Air. This is a non-post car, as you can see. It's equipped with a 350 Chevy small block engine with an automatic transmission. This car does not have power steering, power brakes, or air conditioning. It's just like it would have been from the factory. The red paint and the white look good on it. It's got the original hubcaps, white wall tires, and all the chrome and bright work looks good on it. Glass looks good on it. The interior is just like it would have been, with the plastic wrap on it, and a bench seat.
Yep, the seats are still wrapped in plastic. Really pretty. All the chrome looks real good. Headliner's tight. Pretty sharp. Alright. Trying to take you around a little bit more. And as always, we're gonna go ahead and get the engine started, take it for a spin, and then we'll put it up on the lift.
Go 1956 Chevy Bel Air.
Yeah.
Small block Chevy automatic. Whoa, burnout. Sorry about that. Got a little more power than I expected.
I like the horn on these.
So we got a good speedometer, good fuel gauge.
Lots of room in here. Very roomy. Looks like there is an updated radio.
Updated from back in the 80s.
Yeah. Oh, I can hear it. Let's see.
Steering feels good, the transmission feels good.
For sure, you definitely have to drive it because there's no power brakes or power steering, but
the brakes work well.
that's how it used to be. So get a little arm workout all in one. Cool. Nice.
It's just real smooth.
Yeah, it does. Sweet. All right, we're gonna take her back.
Steering wheel feels good.
I know, big old steering wheel. Different. We're gonna take her back to the shop and we'll put her up on the lift and take a look. Thanks, guys.